Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to install software on Windows. Are you struggling to install software on your Windows computer? Whether you're installing your first program or just need a refresher, this guide has got you covered. In this video, we'll break down each step so you can easily install any software on your Windows PC. Please go through the steps demonstrated in this video. The first step is to download the software you want to install. Head over to the official website of the software or a trusted source. Look for the download link, click on it, and the download should begin. Make sure to save the file in an easily accessible location, like your desktop or downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the file on your computer. Open the folder where you saved the file, typically the Downloads folder. Launch the installation by double-clicking the downloaded file. Read each prompt carefully. You'll usually need to agree to the terms and conditions by checking a box. Next, choose the installation location or go with the default setting. Finally, click Install or Next to start the installation. Once you've clicked Install, the software will begin installing on your computer. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the software and your computer's speed. During this time, avoid opening other programs to ensure a smooth installation process. When the installation is completed, click Finish to close the installer. Now that the installation is complete, it's time to launch your new software. You can find the shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Click on the shortcut to open the program. Congratulations! You've successfully installed new software on your Windows computer. Please like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.